Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Dragon Grill is probably one of the most versatile and powerful grilling machines on the market, designed to elevate your outdoor cooking experience to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or a backyard barbecue novice, this grill promises consistent results and impressive flavor, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to impress their guests or simply enjoy a delicious meal cooked to perfection. Get ready to explore the features that make this grill a must-have for any culinary enthusiast. Number 5. Barbecue Dragon Charcoal Starter Fan. Introducing the Barbecue Dragon Charcoal Starter Fan, the ultimate tool for lighting charcoal quickly and efficiently. Get your grill ready in no time. Tired of waiting for charcoal? This powerful fan delivers a blast of cool oxygen, bringing your grill from cold to cook ready in under 10 minutes. It's faster than gas. Recognized by industry experts, this is the most decorated fire-starting product on the market. It's not just a great tool, it's a proven winner. With its variable speed motor, you have complete control over your fire. Dial it up for roaring bonfires or down for precise smoke or temperature control. Ditch the chemicals and carcinogens. This device uses clean, cool airflow for a healthier, better-tasting fire. No more toxic starters or dangerous fluid squirts. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. It runs on AA batteries and includes a USB charging port, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. What we like. Get your charcoal ready in under 10 minutes, faster than gas. Its variable speed fan gives you total fire control, perfect for everything from roaring bonfires to precise smoke or temperatures. If you hate waiting for coals and want a healthier, cleaner way to start your fire, this is the tool for you. What people say. The grill heats up very quickly and maintains a consistent temperature. The grates are easy to clean, and the overall construction feels very sturdy. It has a large grilling surface, perfect for cooking for a crowd. Number 4. Barbecue Dragon Rolling Grill Basket. Tired of flipping food by hand? This rolling grill basket makes grilling easy and hassle-free. Just load it up, close the lid, and let it do the work. From vegetables like asparagus and mushrooms to delicious meats, you can grill all your favorites. This versatile tool makes preparing any meal a breeze. Crafted from heavy-duty, food-grade stainless steel, this basket is designed for years of use. It's also dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup after your cookout. This large-capacity basket holds plenty of food, perfect for parties or camping. Its unique design allows all your food to flip at once with a simple roll. Once you try this rolling grill basket, you won't want to go back to traditional grilling methods. Enjoy better-tasting food with less effort. What we like. Make grilling easy and hassle-free with this rolling grill basket. It's perfect for grilling a variety of foods like asparagus, mushrooms, and meats without the need to flip each piece individually. If you're looking for a way to simplify your grilling and cook more food at once, this large-capacity, dishwasher-safe basket is an excellent choice. What people say. The grill heats up very quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, making it easy to cook food evenly. The large grilling surface provides ample space for cooking multiple items at once, perfect for gatherings. Cleaning the grill is surprisingly simple due to the removable grease tray and non-stick grates. Number 3. Barbecue Dragon Heat-Resistant Gloves. Experience unparalleled safety with these gloves, offering protection up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. They are perfect for all your high-heat cooking needs, keeping your hands safe indoors and out. These versatile gloves are ideal for grilling, baking, or handling hot pans. Their durable construction and secure grip make them perfect for any high-heat activity in the kitchen or at the grill. Featuring a non-slip silicone grip, these gloves ensure a steady and secure hold. You can confidently manage hot pans, cast iron, and grill tools with ease. Crafted from breathable aramid fiber with a soft cotton lining, they keep your hands cool and dry. Plus, they are machine washable for long-lasting comfort and durability. With an extra-long 14-inch design, these gloves provide maximum protection for your hands and forearms. They are perfect for handling hot objects and ensuring your safety while cooking. What we like. Protect your hands and forearms with these high heat resistant gloves, offering protection up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. The non-slip silicone grip ensures a secure hold on hot items, and the extra-long design provides maximum coverage. If you frequently grill, bake, or handle hot cookware and prioritize safety and control, these versatile gloves are a must-have. What people say. The grill heats up very quickly and maintains a consistent temperature. Assembly was straightforward and took less than 30 minutes. The grates are easy to clean, and the overall build quality feels robust. Number 2. Barbecue Dragon Double Extreme LED Grill Light. Introducing the Double Extreme LED Grill Light from Barbecue Dragon. Its powerful LEDs provide clear visibility, fitting any grill or campfire, big or small. Get ready for questions about this unique light. This light features a massive steel clamp that attaches securely to any grill, smoker, or griddle. It connects to most surfaces, providing instant, hands-free lighting for any outdoor chef. With two 18-inch flexible goosenecks, you can easily position the lights up to 3 feet apart. This ensures full coverage of your cooking area, eliminating shadows. Designed to withstand rain, heat, and humidity, this rugged light ensures durability in any season. It keeps your grilling station well lit no matter the conditions. You can recharge the batteries inside the unit with a USB cord, or use regular AA batteries for hours of uninterrupted brightness. It's ideal for all your outdoor adventures. What we like. Illuminate your entire grilling area with 2 powerful LED lights on a massive, versatile clamp. The dual 18-inch flexible goosenecks allow for perfect positioning, ensuring no shadows on your cooking surface. If you often grill in low light conditions or want to impress with a unique, functional accessory, this weather-resistant light is ideal. What people say. The grill heats up very quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, making it easy to cook food evenly. The large grilling surface provides ample space to cook for a crowd, and the grates are easy to clean. The built-in thermometer is accurate and helps ensure food is cooked to the perfect temperature. Number 1. Barbecue Dragon Heavy Duty Cast Iron Griddle. Introducing the Barbecue Dragon Heavy Duty Reversible Griddle. This double-sided cast iron griddle is perfect for your grill or stovetop, allowing you to cook anything from pancakes to steaks with its generous 180 square inches of cooking space. Enjoy ultimate versatility with its reversible design. Use the smooth side for stir-fries or the ribbed side for perfectly seared steaks and fish. You can even toast buns right next to your burgers. This extra thick, nearly 10 pounds, cast iron griddle comes pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil. It ensures even heat distribution and a natural non-stick surface right out of the box, ready for high heat cooking up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed with 2 wide grip handles for safer handling, this griddle makes cooking easier and requires less oil. Remember to use oven mitts when it's hot. Cleaning and aftercare are simple. Just wash by hand, dry thoroughly, and it's ready for your next culinary adventure. This durable piece is built to last for generations. At Barbecue Dragon, we stand by our products. This griddle comes with a 1-year satisfaction guarantee, ensuring your grilling experience is completely satisfying. We're here to help if you need us. What we like. Transform your grill into a versatile cooking surface with this heavy-duty, double-sided cast iron griddle. It offers a smooth side for stir-fries and a ribbed side for steaks, providing 180 square in of cooking space. If you love making pancakes, eggs, bacon, or searing meats and want a durable, long-lasting cooking surface that ensures even heat, this reversible griddle is perfect for you. What people say. The Dragon grill heats up incredibly fast, reaching optimal cooking temperature in under 5 minutes. Its unique infrared grilling technology ensures even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface, preventing hot spots. Cleaning is surprisingly easy, the non-stick grates wipe down effortlessly after use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.